I go by the name of Crazy Smooth, and I'm from the Bboyizm Dance Company, and I'm a mask artist.
So we got ego, this don't like to slip it right in my day, as the people say, live it up, shoot.
There's fundamentals to learn about the dance, and once we get in the workshop setting, we teach those fundamentals, and then the kids, the students then get to create their own stuff. What I love about it is obviously the ability to share the knowledge, but at the same time, it's a gift of self-expression.
Let's go!
You know, so that gift is something that they take, and whether they become a professional dancer or not, it's something that's very empowering.